Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I've got this Lockwood 334 B45. Beautiful lock. We're going to see if we can get this on camera and not have any difficulties here. Beautiful full set. Beautiful. Here we are. Now, as long as I don't have any camera problems, we'll be okay. Keep that in the frame. Okay, let's get the pinning tray here. We'll get all our gear ready. Keep the lock in the frame. Keep all this in sight here. All right, move that out of the way. All right, so we need this, we need this, and we need that. Okay, let's do it. Boom, 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 boom. I'm trying not to rush. I just have a funky feeling that this camera's gonna die on me again, and it better not. This is not gonna happen. I need this to record for my sanity. Sorry, inside joke. People know that I've been bitching. People that have been listening to me bitch know what I'm bitching about. Had some technical difficulties the last couple of filming times. So I'm trying to get this done in a speedy fashion without fucking anything up. Alright, we'll keep the camera going here by touching it real quick like that. So there's no fuckery. And we're gonna shoot. We will. Actually, we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna go like this. And we're going to shimmy dimmy dimmy from the back. There we go. Back there. Alrighty. Beautiful. Where's my follower? Right here. So we're gonna take, ooh, we're gonna turn that a little bit more. Take that. And we'll set that like that. We'll set that like this. And we'll get the key pins out for you guys. The key pins are all standard, nothing special here. But I will show you guys everything that you need to see. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna show you everything. That's number 5. And that's number 3. Boom. Number 2. Normally I don't rush, guys. You know, normally I do it very, very sexy, but I've been having some camera difficulties and we're not losing this one. All right. Now for the fun part, take the shim out. What is that, the front? That is the front. Take that. Alrighty. Alright, so we're gonna have all the same here. These are all gonna be spools, barrel spools. All the barrel spools in the battle world. Normally I don't rush, guys, I'm sorry. I just don't want this darn camera to die on me again. So we're gonna get this all in one take. Just because I'm trying to get this out of the way. Because I'm in the zone. Alright. And then these are just all the springs. Alright. I don't think I have to panic anymore. We're still recording. Yay! Alright, we made it through. Look at that. We frickin' made it through this time. I'm so excited. Just because last spring. There we go. Yay, we actually made it in one take. Sorry I was tripping out, guys. I've filmed this 2 other times, and the 2 other times, for absolutely no reason, this camera decided to just die on me for no reason. So sorry, that was a little hectic, but let's take a look. So we have, where is it? Right here. So we have standard driver, sorry, we have all standard key pins, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then the drivers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all barrel spools, and then just all regular springs there. So that is my pick and gut for the Asa Abloy Lockwood 334 B45. I am going to use this for my blue belt grading. And yes, I still know I have to make a challenge lock, but yeah. So I think I have to reassemble too. So let me put this back together. Let me put this back together before that dies. So the pick and gut can be in one take. The reassemble can be in a separate. They just want to make sure that you're not cheating or anything like that by just loading it with like 1 or 2 drivers and then picking it and saying you'll gut it in another video and then adding the drivers later. So this was a fair pick and gut, one take. If the camera dies now while I'm putting it back together, that's okay. I will refilm that. All right, let's put this back together so I don't have to stress as much now. Alrighty, let's do it. So we're going to stick our key back in there. I can actually relax now, I like that. Alright, so we're going to stick these back in now, and let's do it. Yeah, because I hate rushing. I hate looking like a fucking nervous freak, because I'm not one. But I wanted to make sure that I got this in this take, because I wanted it done tonight, because that's the way I am. I'm OCD, and I wanted this, look at this, eh? See what happens when you don't take your time. Set this shit there. Set that shit there. Alright, let's do this. That's the front. Alright. Let's load these springs back in. That's the front, right? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so, oops. I felt the springy fall out. There it is, right there. Which number is that? What is that? There we go. Cool. Alright, so that is the front, and that is the back. So give me my follower, and we will stick her in there. That's the back. Alright, so we'll load the back up. What do we got here? The back, so that's 6, so that's 5. Alright, let's load the back up here. Alright. Alright, we'll stick 4 way back in there. Stick them in his home. That's what happens when you're blind. I can't wait to get one of those followers with the LED built into it so I can see what I'm doing in these dark little hallways here. Bastard. Alright. So that's that. That's that. So you know what? I gotta shim it while I put it back together just because I don't need a spool falling in that 6th chamber, empty chamber. So we're going to be smart. Cool. Boom, 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 boom. Make way for blue belt lock completed. Can't believe my camera hasn't died. Ugh, if I would have known it would have stayed recording this whole time, I wouldn't have been a freak at the beginning of this. I'm sorry, guys. It's not my style. I was just so in the mood to get this done tonight. I don't know why. I was just like, yes, I'm in the mood to just go for it tonight. Did it the first time, picked it in 2 or 3 minutes, started to film the pick and gut. Phone camera just decided to shut off for no damn reason. And then the second time I went back at it, same thing, it just decided to flip it and shut off for no damn reason. So I was like, what the hell is that about? So this is going to be my official pick, gut, and reassemble for blue belt. So I can use this as a reference. Ugh. Perfect. All right, so that's done. There we go. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. What a fucking trip that was. Alright, so that's good, that's good, that's good. And that, alright, ouch. Alright, well, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you sticking with me. That's all I got for the Lockwood 334B45 Blue Belt Pick, Gut, and Reassemble. I finally got it all in on camera without this thing dying, so thank you to the camera gods. The fun police, as I was joking earlier, just kept stealing my fun. Every time I got excited, I had it picked, started to gut, phone just died. Started to pick, started to gut, camera shut off. Started to pick, started to gut, camera shut off. So that was a nightmare. But hallelujah, we've got it all done. Thank you so much for sticking with me, guys. 16 minutes in, I've taken up enough of your time. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Keep this channel and growing. Keep this channel going and growing. That's all I got for you this time, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you later.